Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I use a great service called Link Emperor to build high quality links to my money sites. So the first thing you want to do when you sign into the Link Emperor website and get to the Link Emperor interface is create a new campaign. Go ahead and give this campaign a name. This right here is for internal bidding purposes. I'm just going to leave that default. Everything else I'm going to leave just default. Add campaign right here. Okay, so now we have our payday loans campaign right here ready to go. And what you want to do here is you want a deep link to your website. So you don't want to just add your home page here. You want to add all of your pages here with lots of different keyword variations. So I use a program called Screaming Frog SEO Spider. And then what I do is I'll come over here and let Screaming Frog SEO Spider crawl my website and get all of the web pages from the website I'm trying to rank. And then export, open up the links here in Excel, grab all the ones that I want to use. You know, if you have a lot of blog posts, some of these you probably don't want to link to. These look like they're search queries and other sorts of links. So you'll want to go through and pick the ones you do want to link to and paste your links into a new spreadsheet. Then come back over to Link Emperor and click on import. After you click on import, it'll show you right here how you need to format your spreadsheet to import. So just make sure we do that. So you have the URL here, which is fine. Visit value, I don't need that. Keywords, I do want some keywords in there. So now I have my keywords in column C. And what you have to do here is save as. You want to save this as a tab delimited text file. That's this right here. Go ahead and save that. Click yes. So come back over here to the Link Emperor interface and you choose that file that you just made. You can see it's loaded up right here. Click import. And now it's going to show you, the data. You can just check it and make sure that it's correct for the first few columns. Click yes, do it, and it will go ahead and import your targets. It takes a little bit for the interface to load all of your URLs and keywords, but eventually they'll all be in there. So I'll pause it and come back when those are all loaded in. Okay, so once all of your targets are successfully added, we can see that ours have been added here, and our keywords have been added along with our URLs here. We'll just go over to the keywords tab here, and we can see that all of our keywords have been added to our targets here. So the next step is going to be to come over here to articles. So what I do for the article here is that I manually add an article. And the article is going to be a highly spun, very high quality article. And I've put a link to a tutorial video that shows you exactly how I do my spinning. I actually outsource the spinning to Elance or Odesk now. But essentially it's spun at the sentence and the word level, and it's very high quality. So I'm going to go ahead and I will add that in there. And just add my title and my article body there. What you also want to do, which is very important, I didn't do this the first time because by default they automatically generate articles for you. So if you're using my method of using your own spun article, you need to turn this off. Otherwise you can leave it on and Link Emperor will get articles for you from around the internet. So, but I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm just going to go and then I'm just going to check out my article. And then I'm just going to show an example of my spun article. Looks good. Couple spins. You got my title, got my body. Great. And that's all you really need. I mean, you can add several articles if you want. You know, ideally you'd add 2 or 3, and then you'll have thousands and thousands of unique articles for your link building campaign. So in addition to the high quality content that we're using here, The next two steps are going to be what really allow you to use this service to build links to your money site. And that is, it's customizing your link building settings right here. And I'm going to show you the exact settings to use if you want to build high quality links to your money sites. Okay, so right here, the way that this works is it allows you to select which types of links you want to build in ratio to one another. So this slider right here tells Link Emperor that you want to build more links to your money site, and then but you still want to build some links to your tier 1 links. So actually about right here is good. And then we want to get rid of all the spammy links here. So we don't want any blog comments going back to our money site. No forum profile creation. We'll turn down the MISC platform to about here. Press releases, although I don't think they have any in there, we're still going to turn it up. And here's the money one. Here's what you want being built to our money site, and that is private network blog posts. Very valuable and great links to have. So, and then we'll move the public blog / article posts to about here. Social bookmarks, we'll bump it up a little bit. Video creation, we turn off. Web 2s, we like those too. Those are good links to have. Those are good links to have too. Turn the wikis down. And then to the buffer tier, you can just leave this all as it is by default. There's a few more settings down here that I just leave default as well. And then you can save your link building design. And the last setting that's very important to change is your anchor text randomization settings. Right here, if you're in the campaign, you can change it by individual campaign. But I set it so that all of my campaigns work on the same anchor text variation. And you do that by coming up to here, clicking on link building, and going to anchor text randomization settings. And these will be global settings. This right here is the ratio of times that it will use an exact match keyword for the link that's being built. To the left, this area right here, this represents the amount of time that they'll add a prefix or a suffix to the keyword to give it some variation. And then the area to the right represents the amount of time that they'll use something random rather than the keyword. You know, because obviously with Penguin Panda updates, we have to make sure that we do not just continuously link to our keywords. So this is really essential, especially for going to your money sites. Just set it to this. This has worked for me, and I think it'll work for you. And that's really it. Once you save that, just come over right here, and you want to click pause right here to turn this campaign on, and then it will start running, and you will know that it's running because it will turn green right here. And there you have it. That's how you set up a Link Emperor campaign to build links to your money site safely.